Hello friends, we are going to start the next colligative property. As we discussed last time, there are four colligative properties. Out of them, first we have learned about Raoult's law, and the second we are going to learn is boiling point elevation. Friends, as you know, boiling point is when any liquid is converted into friends gas. The temperature required, that temperature is to be said friends boiling point of that substance. So friends, what is boiling point elevation? To elevate means to improve or to increase. So increase in the boiling point of solvent is called friends the boiling point elevation that we are going to learn here. Let's consider one important example. For example friends, water has boiling point, as you know, 100 degrees Celsius, that is friends 100 plus 273.15, so 373.15 Kelvin is the boiling point of water friends, and that's water is we can consider as a pure solvent. That's why friends we will give the sign T0B. T means temperature, B means boiling, and 0 means initial. So initial boiling point of the water or solvent is friends 100 degrees Celsius, that is converted into Kelvin, and that is 373 Kelvin. Now friends, in water we add any solute into solvent, then what is prepared? Solution is prepared friends. This solvent is water already, it has 373.15 Kelvin boiling point, but when this solute is added to solvent, some particles of this solvent will be accommodate with the particles of this solute friends. That's why the total temperature boiling requirement of boiling for the solution will be increased. Suppose friends, this temperature is increased by 374 Kelvin friends, then that Kelvin, this is for example only, is to be said friends temperature of boiling means boiling point of this solution. So this is boiling point of this solution. Suppose we consider TB. So what is friends the difference? The difference is friends delta TB is equal to final boiling point, that means boiling point of solution minus boiling point of the solvent. So friends 374 minus friends 373.15, that is 0.85. Once again unit is Kelvin, and that is to be said friends delta TB. This is called elevation in boiling point. That means friends when we add solute into water, the 0.585 degree 85 Kelvin temperature is more we need to boil that solution than that of the pure water. So this is called friends boiling point elevation, and that is denoted by delta TB. One more thing here you have to remember, that is KB. That is friends actually boiling point elevation constant. Now how this constant is calculated? So two important things you have to remember friends, that is we have to consider 1000 gram of water friends, and also friends the solute is to be taken friends as per its molecular mass. So if we consider the mass of solute as per its molecular mass, for example, suppose friends we are considering NaCl. As you know, NaCl's molecular mass is 58.5 gram. So 58.5 gram is NaCl is dissolved in 1000 gram water. Then we obtain the boiling point elevation, that is called Kb, and that is boiling point elevation constant, that is always fixed for always constant for one solute. When we change the solute or solvent, in that case that boiling point elevation constant will also be changed. So Kb most probably will be given to you in your examples, but Kb is a constant and delta Tb is to be find out. So there are two important things you have to remember friends, that is delta TB and kV friends. Now next we are going to learn the derivation of delta TB. So friends, experimentally it is proved that friends, delta TB, that is boiling point elevation constant, is directly proportional to the m. M means molality here friends. So molality is m. So molality that you learn friends in initial part of the chapter, that is type of concentration. So delta TB directly proportional to m, and if we want to remove the sign of friends proportionality, then we have to put the value constant, that is kb. So this is the formula friends, delta TB is equal to kb into m, where delta TB is boiling point elevation, then kb is friends boiling point elevation constant, and this is molality friends. As you know friends, molality is to be divided, find it out, by mass of solute friends into 1000, and molar mass of solute into friends, molar mass of the solute into friends mass of solvent. This must be taken in the gram. So there are four important things, 1, 2, 3, 4. Molality is equal to mass of solute, that we will consider as W2 friends. 1000 we require to put here because this is taken in gram friends. Suppose this is taken in kg, then this 1000 will not require. This is molar mass of solute 2, and this is friends we say W1, that is mass of solute, this is molality. So this is the formula of the molality friends, mass of solute into 1000 by molar mass of the solute into mass of the solvent, must be taken in gram when 1000 is taken upwards. So this now value of molality I am putting in equation number 1, then delta TB is equal to friends kb into W2 into 1000 divided by m2 into W1. So this is the important formula you have to remember. Also friends, you can make the subject kb as well as m2 as per requirement. So these are the important things. If you want to find out molar mass of the unknown solute, in that case m2 will be the subject, and kb into W2 into friends 1000 upon friends delta TB into, we should write W1. So what is W1? W1 is the mass of solvent, W2 is the mass of solute friends, delta TB boiling point elevation, kb is boiling point elevation constant, and m2 is the molar mass of the unknown substance if it is not given. So this is important formula friends, equation number 2. Now we are going to find out the unit of kb, but before that you have to also draw the one graph in which friends vapor pressure versus temperature is to be taken, in which you can see solvent has the temperature TB which is less here friends, this has less value friends, and here this is solution's boiling point is more friends, that's why this is more, and the difference between these two is called friends delta TB. This is delta TB, that is final minus initial. Final boiling point means boiling point of solution, initial boiling point means boiling point of the solvent friends. Now what is the unit, or what should be the unit of kb friends? So we are making subject to kb. In that case we will obtain kb is equal to delta TB into m2 into W1 friends divided by W2 into 1000. This is the formula for kb. Now I am putting the units of all, and we will get the unit of kb. How is it possible, friends? So delta TB has unit Kelvin, m2 is molar mass. Molar mass has, friends, gram per mole is the unit of m2. W has mass, and that's why its unit is gram. We have to take once again, here is W is unit, we have to take here gram, and this is, friend, 1000, part of formula. So gram will be cut, friends, and what will be obtained? That is Kelvin. This is mole inverse, so this is mole inverse, and gram by 1000, that is kg. So unit of kb is, friend, Kelvin kilogram per mole or mole inverse. So this is important term you have to remember, friends. So total derivation and boiling point elevation, this is second colligative property, friends. We have started from delta TB, then kb, then delta TB is proportional to m. This is derived by thousands of experiments, friends, and that's why delta TB is equal to kb into m. kb is boiling point elevation constant. Now we are putting the value of molality. Molality is mass of solute into 1000 divided by molar mass of this solute into, friends, mass of this solvent. This is most important. Mass of solvent must be taken in gram, or 1000 is not to be taken. If kg is there, 1000 will not be there, right? But in normal, I suggest you to write 1000 in practice, friends. This is W2, mass of solute. Molar mass of the solute is m2, friends. Mass of solvent is W1, and that's why the formula we obtained for delta TB is this. Okay, friends. In graph, as you can see, this is pressure. Pressure we are not considering here, but solute and solvent and solution both have different temperatures. When pure solvent is there, its boiling point is less. When solution is prepared, boiling point is increased, and that is called boiling point elevation. That is delta TB. I think you got it, friends. Thank you.